Welcome guys to your own channel Financial Plan, and in this video we are starting a new series called Personal Finance. This is the first video of series Personal Finance, and here comes the question: what is personal finance? Money comes in and somehow it disappears. Ever wonder where it all goes? That's where personal finance comes in. It's simply how you manage your money in daily life. Personal finance is the art of handling your money wisely, from how you earn it, how you spend it, how you save, how you invest, and how you plan your future. You have to be very careful in each and everything what you do with your money. Let's take an example. You get your salary after working hard 9 to 5 jobs, or you are doing some business. So your money some goes to rent, some to groceries, some to saving, and little bit into investment plans. That's the personal finance in action. It's actually balancing today's needs with tomorrow goals. Here is the $1 million question. Why personal finance matter? Without a plan, money controls you. With good financial habits, you control your money. Personal finance help you to reduce stress, avoid debt, and build a secure future. These are smart habits that will help you in planning your personal financial plan. It's not about being rich, it's about being smart. Start small, make a budget, save regularly, and learn to invest. Little steps lead to financial freedom. So, the personal finance in a nutshell as a whole is simple, practical, and powerful. If you want to learn more about managing money wisely, subscribe to Financial Plan channel where small steps count. So, thank you very much for watching this video.